Hey guys, this is Karen Merrow and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about how to make money with affiliate programs, and I'm going to be giving you some success tips in order for you to succeed. Now, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. The purpose of this channel is to show you how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch, whether you're a newbie or somebody who's maybe been struggling for a while. And I'm going to leave a link below this video to another video that I did that will give you a little bit more information on my background. I've been a physical therapist for 28 years and have decided to make this a full-time income. I'm going to be starting from scratch and showing you along the way the tips and strategies that you need to have in place in order to be successful, to have a long-term business. And so if you'd like to follow along with me and allow me to help you to build a successful business, then go ahead and click the subscribe button as well as the bell icon, because I'm going to be uploading videos on a regular basis teaching you how to build a business very, very successfully online. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content here. So again, how to make money with affiliate programs. Here are some really great success tips. The first one is to wear the white belt. What do I mean by that? It means to empty your cup rather than thinking that you know everything already. Being a physical therapist for 28 years, I never feel like I know everything. I always feel like I can learn something every single day from my patients. I don't feel like I'm above them. If they tell me something that they've learned from a doctor or another therapist, or this is the way that works best for me, I listen to them, and I think it's very important to have an open mind whenever you're learning anything. And I love this quote by Bruce Lee. He said, "Emptiness is the starting point. In order to taste my cup of water, you must first empty your cup. My friend, drop all your preconceived notions and be neutral. Do you know why this cup is neutral? Because it is empty." And he was one of the greatest martial artists of all times. And I think that's just a powerful quote. To anytime you approach a training that you've learned, don't think that you know it already, because there may be one little thing that you can learn that will allow you to have the success that you want. The next thing is to commit to the process. Commit to going through everything that you need to do in order to reach your goals. I look at it like you're going back to get a degree in internet marketing, a degree in affiliate marketing. You know, I went to school for a number of years and got my master's degree in physical therapy, and I wouldn't think about paying for a class and then not going through the material or not going to class, because that doesn't even make any sense. I mean, you're wanting to become successful online, so when you purchase something, make sure that you go through it in its entirety rather than just jumping to the next thing. 90% of people who buy online courses never actually go through the training, and that to me, it just doesn't make any sense. You know, again, if you're going to go to school, you go to class and you learn everything you can. You commit to the process. But of the 10% who actually do go through the courses, over 50% of people achieve the goals they set for themselves in the first 30 to 90 days. So that's a big accomplishment. That 50% of people actually achieve their goals. And 90% of people who really dedicate themselves for a full 180 days end up achieving whatever goal they set for themselves. So that is very, very important, that you commit to doing what you need to do. And the next thing in how to make money with affiliate programs is to take massive action. And I've heard more than one person who is a 6-7 figure income earner that what really turned things around for them is when they did like a 30-day or a 90-day challenge to marketing in every single day. So pick something that is something that you could stick with for 30 to 90 days. If you enjoy making videos, you could do YouTube videos giving value to people, solving people's problems, learning keyword research, and putting up a video every day for 30 to 90 days. I remember one person who, I looked back to his videos. He has been putting up a video every single day for a year, and before that he was just doing them occasionally, and he, just from the ad revenue, is making over $8,000 a month. He has over 100,000 subscribers. That was one of his goals. But each and every day he takes massive action. He learns a problem that people have, and his video is based around a solution to that problem. And of course he has learned keyword research, and but it's very inspiring to see what daily massive action can do for you. And the last thing is to set a goal and to write it down. This is often overlooked because it is, I would say, the single most important thing to do when you're trying to make money with affiliate programs. You're going to set yourself an income goal, and you're going to write it down. I remember learning one time, there was a room full of Olympic athletes, and they were asked who has set themselves a goal, and every single person raised their hand, and then they asked who has written down their goal. And the hands that went up were the people who have won gold medals. That's how important it is to write your goal down, because that gives your subconscious mind a goal, like a destination. Like, you wouldn't get into your car and be going to another state, a certain town in another state, and not put it in your GPS. You wouldn't just start driving, because you wouldn't never get there. And I recommend that you watch The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale, and you can just search it on YouTube here. And he has a 30-day challenge, and it involves writing down your goal and looking at it several times throughout the day. And this is key. Every single person who is successful, who has achieved anything great, sets themselves goals, writes it down, visualizes it, and looks at it several times a day. So you could even put down a goal, you want to earn a certain amount of money in a certain time, and then have a mental picture of what that looks like. Like, you could visualize what ClickBank looks like, the little green and tan bars that go across, that you could see that in your mind. So I hope you received value from this video. It's kind of something that you think, well, what do these things have to do with making money? It has everything to do with making money, because the most important part is how you think and setting goals. So this is, again, how to make money with affiliate programs. If you received value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to learn more about making money with affiliate programs, and again, how I'm going to be building this from scratch. I'm going to teach you the tips and tricks along the way. So that's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care. Talk with you soon. Bye now.